Heart disease kills over 600,000 Americans annually, and according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 American experiences a heart attack every 43 seconds. Everyone who eats the standard American diet is at risk of developing heart disease, but fortunately, there are natural ways to lower this risk. Researchers have found that a glass of grapefruit juice daily keeps the blood vessels healthy and improves heart health. This study was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and found that phytochemicals in citrus fruits, known as flavonoids, promote healthier blood vessels and improve blood circulation. Additionally, researchers at the French National Institute for Agricultural Research in France investigated the effects of grapefruit juice consumption on the blood vessels of 48 women, 50 to 65 years old. They were divided into 2 groups, and the first one received half a pint of grapefruit juice, which is rich in flavonoids, and the second group was given a similar juice drink that lacked flavonoids. Researchers evaluated the blood vessels of participants after 6 months, via a method called flow-mediated dilation, which measures the flexibility and elasticity of the walls of the artery. Findings showed that people who drank grapefruit juice had a significant improvement in their cardiovascular health, while the other group did not experience any changes. Grapefruit juice is a healthy drink with a unique aroma and a bit bitter or sour taste, and numerous nutrients. It can be prepared in a simple way at home. One of the key benefits of grapefruit is its high concentration of vitamin C, which plays an important role in the body's regular immune system function and improves the absorption of iron present in plant-based foods. Vitamin C is required for the biosynthesis of collagen, which helps to heal wounds. Some research suggests that vitamin C may also help with the regeneration of other antioxidants within the body, including vitamin E. Half of a medium-sized grapefruit contains 8 grams of sugar. The AHA recommends limiting added sugar to 38 grams per day for men and 25 grams per day for women. One way to temper sugar intake is to choose the whole grapefruit over juice. While grapefruit juice can offer you a deliciously tart start to the day, it does not retain the healthy fiber of the membrane that can slow the absorption of sugar and make you feel fuller longer. Beats colds and cancer. Any food high in vitamin C is good for your immune system. This is your body's natural defense against all types of diseases. When paired with lycopene, this vitamin also attacks tumors and cancer cells. In one study, men who were given lycopene reduced their risk of prostate cancer by more than 80%. On top of destroying bacteria and tumors, vitamin C also prevents heart attacks and strokes. It does this by interrupting the oxidation of cholesterol, which causes plaque. When plaque attaches itself to the heart and ruptures, you can have a heart attack. Vitamin C is not the only nutrient at work. Vitamin A is also an immunity enhancer. It helps prevent bacteria from invading your respiratory system by keeping mucous membranes healthy. This is beneficial for people who suffer from asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, and other breathing problems. Improves vision and skin. Protecting your body from germs and reducing the risk of cancer are not the only grapefruit health benefits. The fruit also offers copper, a nutrient that improves eyesight and the health of your skin. Copper paired with antioxidants can improve your appearance naturally from head to toe. Normalizes blood pressure. If your blood pressure is high, consider eating or drinking grapefruit juice a few times a week. This is because it provides potassium, which is effective at lowering blood pressure. Potassium can also relieve muscle cramps and reduce spasms. Regulates weight. Grapefruit juice is a wonderful weight loss drink for several reasons. It has few calories and can be a great replacement for sweetened juices and sodas. The juice of one grapefruit has only 39 calories, a very low count compared to many beverages. Squeeze it fresh for the best results. Another way grapefruit fights fat is by boosting metabolism. Vitamin B1 and biotin are energy producers. Energy comes from food. When you increase your body's ability to convert food into energy, getting in shape becomes easier.